Hey there guys, in this video let's see what is malware analysis, and also we will be seeing the two different kinds of malware analysis, that is the static and the dynamic. So first of all, let's see what is malware analysis, and also I've written a blog post on this what is malware analysis and the two different kinds of malware analysis. So this blog post link will be in the description below, do check it out. So firstly, let's see what is malware analysis. So analysis of malicious code or malware either in a static or dynamic way is called malware analysis. So in simple words, I can say that malware analysis is the process of analyzing the malware either by executing or not executing. Now let's see, and also I've given other informations such as is malware analysis necessary and why malware analysis and the types of malware analysis. So let me discuss about the static and the dynamic malware analysis. So the static malware analysis, well, in static malware analysis we are not executing the malware, but without executing the malware we just study about the malware. So this is possible by just reading the metadatas or the title, or by just seeing the piece of code, the malware code. So this is possible. And also given what are the informations we can get from the static malware analysis. So as I said, in static malware analysis we can't execute the code. So if we execute the code, it will be probably a dynamic malware analysis. So in static malware analysis we should not execute the malware, okay? And we can gather in static malware analysis, we can gather information such as the malicious infrastructure. We know about the infrastructure and the libraries and what are the packages it is using, and also you will be finding the name. Yeah, probably when we see, we can find the name of the malware, and also we can find the IP address where it came from, and also we can see a domain. If it comes from a domain, we can see the domain name, and also we can see the header strings. So these are the informations we get from the static malware analysis. Now let's see the dynamic malware analysis. Whereas in the dynamic malware analysis, the malicious code is actually executed, and once it is executed, the malicious malware is analyzed. So once the malware is analyzed, once the malicious code is executed, it will be executed in a safe environment, like the technologies, the sandbox technology. So I have given the sandbox technology. So one of the sandbox technology I suggest is the I think it is the soft, well, I forgot, I guess. Let me go to the Sandboxy. Yeah, I remember now. So Sandboxy is one of my favorite sandbox technologies. So I have been using this Sandboxy. So I will be leaving a link to the Sandboxy, and this tool is available for Windows. So mostly I will be using the Sandboxy technology and even the malwares. So while I'm executing a operator, well, it may be a file or whatever, I'll be executing in the safe environment. So we will be in dynamic malware analysis, we will be executing the malicious code in a safe environment. So the technology will be sandbox technology, and once we execute it, we can understand what all the malware does. And yeah, most probably once we execute, we can get all the informations. Yeah, that's it. So that's it about what is malware. So we have seen what is malware. So malware is just analyzing the malicious code or malware, so in two different ways. And also there are many ways to do malware analysis. Different ways are found in the IT industries, and they follow different ways. But anyways, two are the standards, that is the static way and the dynamic way. And in some companies they use both static and dynamic together. And also we have seen the two major malware analysis methods, that is the static and dynamic. So that's it for this video, guys, and I hope this video will be helpful for you guys. And make sure to give a like and subscribe to our channel, and that will be helpful for me. And yeah, see you next video, guys.